Hey guys, hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. And before saying anything or before starting anything about this video, I want to appreciate all of you, okay? Because see, I know it's a very difficult situation, and it's really commendable. It's really appreciable that you all are having patience and you all are preparing for the exam. I know it's very difficult to keep your mind straight into it and just keep on practicing for the same thing because the exam has to be done already like 2 months back, but it has not been done yet. So we are waiting for the exam, right? We don't even know whether when the exam is going to be done or what will be the date. So yeah, it's kind of like frustrating, no? So all of us, everybody, but it's really commendable that you guys, those who are preparing for the exam, they have kept their patience and they are doing the same. Or like we don't have any other option also, right? That is one more thing which is very true. But yeah, keeping that thing aside, I just want to make sure that see those who have already studied about the topic, they have already prepared their concepts, they have done with the revision and everything, right? Now what they need is just practicing questions, okay? And I guess by far now you already have done the previous year's questions, all the previous year's question papers, and the GATE exam or the IT JAM paper and all, right? So right now you don't have anything to prepare or you don't have anything to practice, right? The new questions, new concepts, how to build them, like how to practice new things, okay? Practicing the same question paper also is frustrating. It's not good practice because once you are done with the question paper, you already know that what is going to happen or what will be the answer. You, in the back of the mind, it is already been there. So doing the same question paper again and again will not help much, right? But yeah, I know this thing that you might be searching for the new test series, for the new question, for more challenging things, right? So for that, this particular video is, and I'll be explaining you all about it. So see, I have already posted it on my community tab. In the last week, we had a test, but I was not able to explain or I was not able to make a video because of certain reasons. But yeah, now I'm here to explain you everything. So Unacademy has decided, it was already being taking mock test, right? Free mock test called as championship test. So earlier it was like weekly test. Every week you were having that before the CSI NET exam. But now since we don't have any date and it's very difficult for making new questions every week, so what an academy has decided that every 15 days, okay, at every 15 days you will be getting a like question paper, okay, a new set of question paper where you will be having part A, part B, and part C all. Although you won't be having full length test, that means you won't be having 120 questions, but you'll be having that many questions which are compulsory in the exam, like 25 questions in part C, you'll be having 40 questions in part B and 20 questions in part A. So in that way, you will be having that thing. So that is how an academy has planned, and I guess most of you know about it. Those who don't know about it or those who don't know how to like apply for these things, I'll be letting you know in the further slides, in the further clip. I'll explain you that how to do that. But yeah, let me tell you a few things about it first of all. Okay, so this mock test will be organized every 15 days on Sundays. Okay, so the upcoming Sunday will be the one which you will be having a mock test on chemical sciences. So there are other subjects also like life science, mathematical science. So for them also like alternate Sundays are there. But yeah, for chemical sciences I'll be talking about. So after every 15 days you'll be having one free mock test. The speciality of this mock test is that you will be having new questions. Okay, it is very much like it has been made sure that the questions are not repeated, the questions are new, and they are up to the CSI net level. So the test will be conducted on Sundays, as I told you, and the analysis class will be done on the Mondays. Okay, so just on the next day, you will be having analysis class by the experts. So part analysis will be done by the expert of that category. Organic and inorganic will be done by the experts of that category, and the physical chemistry portion I'll be analyzing that. Okay, so I'll be taking the analysis class for the physical chemistry portion of your mock test. Okay, so that's how this will be done. So on Sunday you have to give the test. You have to answer it based upon, if you will give the test live, you will also have your AIR, okay, based upon the other students who have appeared in the test. So you'll be having your ranking and all. And if you miss the test live, you can also give it anytime, right? So you can give the test anytime. In fact, if you have not given any test till now, you can give the previous tests, right? So till now you have, I guess, 6 or 7 tests which are already there for chemical sciences on the website. So those are free of cost. You can just go there and just give the test. Okay, so I'll show you that how you can go for that. The links, important links, and all the other things which you need to know are there in the description of this video. You can just click on them and you will be directly redirected over there. Okay. So in the further clip, I'll just explain you that how you can give these tests. Alright, so when you click on the link given in the description of this video, you will be redirected to this particular page. This is a page for the Unacademy Championship CSIR UGC Net. Now you can see it has already started on May 24th and there are many like 54 lessons and 34 tests. So you have mock test 1 on physical sciences, on life sciences, so we don't have to give them. But yeah, mock test 1 on chemical sciences is what you have to, what you can give. So if you have missed any test, see it is already given that I have missed it, or if you will be there in the profile, it will be given that whether you have missed the test or you have given the test. So you just have to click on this particular test. So you will be taken to this particular page. It says mock test number 1 for the chemical sciences, which held on this date at this time. The timing of the test is this much. It's of total 200 marks, and there are 80 questions. Okay, so let's start the test and see. Okay, so once you start the test, you just have to, like, all the informations are given to you, like what are the questions are compulsory and all, and what you will be having in part A, part B, and part C. How many questions and all, everything is given over here. Okay, you just have to click over here that I have read all the instructions and all, begin the test, and that's all. You will be taken to the test. Okay, now you can give this test on your mobile phone as well as on your like laptop. Okay, so right now I can show you on the PC. This is how it looks like. So this is the first question which you have, uh, just like online test. How does it happen? It's just in the same way. You can just click on the option, save and next for the other, and that's how. Okay, so you can go for part B. You can just check around any question and you can just see that which question, what will be the answer. So identify the major product of this reaction. The reaction is given to you. These are the products given to you. So this has been made very sure that the questions are not repeated over here, and the level of the questions are kept up to the CSIR net level. Okay, so based upon your internet connection or the speed of your internet, this might take a little bit time to load the complete question or to load everything, but yeah, it will be done quite frequently. So this is how you can give the test. Okay, when I'll uh, end this test. Okay, so I can just end this test on the top, so I can just end this up. So fine. So as soon as you will be done with your test, you will be having, like, you can view the solutions, you can see your attempt, how much marks you have scored and how much marks you have lost, how many questions you have unanswered. So everything is given over here. How you are performing, you are over here, rest of the students are till here. Okay, so that's what it is. Okay, the highest topper score is 99. So every detail is over here. So it is just giving you a good knowledge of your, like, it just gives you a good competitive feel, right? That's what it is. Now if you click here to view the solution, you will be redirected to a page where the solution of the questions will be provided to you. Okay, so that means that it won't be like the questions will be kept unanswered. You can just do these things of your own. Okay, now on the same page, like on the page where I have shown you the mock test, on the same page you can see that these are the classes, right? Chemical Sciences Analysis for mock test 1, Organic and Inorganic portion by Jagriti Sharma. And you can see that Chemical Sciences Analysis for mock test 1, Physical Chemistry questions by Nurul Huda. So you can click over here to watch the video as well. Okay, so it's a pre-recorded video which you can watch the previous, because it's a previous mock test, right? It held on 25th of May. So you can just go over there to watch it. So see, it says that you are getting connected to the class. Now you can see this is the class, and how does the things are being done. Okay, so you can just watch the complete class. It is a 1 hour 35 minutes. So the solutions and the other things are being done over here. You can just see them, check it out, what mistake you are doing, how it is being solved, and the other things. All right. So this is about the test. Okay, this is all about the Unacademy mock test. So I hope that you got understood that how to approach this test, how you can join the test, how you can give the test, how you can analyze the test, and how you can watch the solution classes. Now this was about the previous test. Okay, but what about the upcoming test? Okay, so what you have to do over here, just like you can see, it says that I am enrolled already. So if you will be new to this, you just have to press this green button over here. Enroll option will be there. You just have to enroll yourself into it. Whenever the test will be there, you will get notified on your mobile phone. Okay. So the upcoming test will be like, since we are in August, So you can see that on, yeah, so you have on the 10th of August you have a class, and on the 9th of August you have mock test 7 on chemical sciences. Okay, so you have this mock test on 9th of August, and that's what you can do. So the upcoming test is on 9th of August, and you can do that, like you can join that by enrolling yourself into the mock test. Okay, so the best thing about the course is that it is totally free. So I hope you guys understood. So you can see that it's going to be done up till your like 6th of September, and that's how these are already been pre-scheduled. Okay, you can check it out, enroll yourself, and keep on giving the test. So this was all about this free mock test by Unacademy. I hope you guys understood. The best thing about this test is that these are free, right? These are totally free. You don't have to pay a little single penny for this test. Okay, it's totally free. And the second thing is that the level of questions you will be getting will be of CSIRNet level. You won't be getting repeated questions, and you are getting everything like analysis, videos, classes, everything, like the solutions, everything you are getting. So this was all about the free Unacademy mock test, and that's what you can do in the during this lockdown period, while sitting at your home, while you have already prepared. So you want to give the test, you want to know new concept, or you want to give some challenging questions. So this is all about it. Okay. Now the next thing which I want to tell you is that batches are already running on Unacademy platform. So if you are interested, if you want to join the Plus subscription, if you are thinking about it, if you think that your preparation is not up to the mark, you want some online guidance, you want to join some classes so that you get to know new things, you can have a good preparation strategy, then you can join Unacademy Plus classes. Those are already running on the Unacademy platform. So the classes which you might have already missed, you will be getting recording of that, and the next classes, the upcoming classes are live. Every day I used to take class at 9:30 p.m. 2 hours classes. Remember, if you are planning to take the subscription, you can take that using my referral code, that is N underscore. Okay, so that's the second important thing which I wanted to tell. Now there is one more very important thing which I wanted to talk to you regarding the frustration level and regarding your preparation of the upcoming exam. Okay, see, it's very difficult to maintain all the discipline, maintain your presence of mind, maintain all the things regarding the preparation of the next exam, right? I can understand that totally, because I am also a research scholar and I am also going through quite a similar things. I have been out of my lab since like past 6 months, so it is affecting us, and I can understand that too. Okay, so there is a like email ID given in the description of this video, and that you will get probably in all the videos of mine. So what you have to do, if you have any problem regarding preparation, if you have anything like you are not able to score good, or any doubt, any guidance, if you want, you can drop your question, you can drop your problem in the like in the email ID. Okay, you can just send me a mail over there. I'll be there to address that. If possible, I would be explaining you in the email itself. If possible, we would interact, we will talk regarding that, because right now it is very important to talk. Okay, if you have any kind of problem regarding the preparation, regarding like you are already preparing and you are not getting good score, or you are not able to understand that what to do next, so I have just thought that I should make this initiative. It's a good practice that we should interact, we should talk. Okay, so we can talk on email, we can even, if it is possible, we can share the contacts and we will be talking to each other. And if possible, if your problem seems to be a kind of a common problem, I would also try to make a video on it, right? So this is how this is just the initiative from my side, in order to just have a one-on-one conversation with you, right? So the link for the email and the other email addresses and all is given in the description. Don't spam there, okay? Please, that's just a like request from you. So don't spam on my email. But yeah, if you genuinely have some problem, you can drop that on my email ID. Okay, so that's what it's about this particular video. So three things very important regarding your preparation. If you want, you can join these free Unacademy mock tests. Secondly, if you want to do the next level preparation, if you want to prepare for the CSIRNet exam and you are not able to understand that how to do that, so the live classes are going on an Academy platform. You can join them, and you can join my classes over there. And third, regarding any personal problem regarding the preparation or regarding score, or how to develop, how to like there are a lot of queries in your mind, right? So you can drop those queries on my email id. Okay, so this was about it, and that's all for this particular video. One more last announcement before ending this, because today only I posted a poll on my community tab, and I got a lot of response from you all regarding what should I make on the next video. Okay, regarding how should I make the next video. So I have found that when I used to make these screen capture videos, uh, like due to the technical problems and all, if you watch that at lower resolution on the mobile phone, you will not be able to understand that what is being written on the screen, or it's not that clearly visible, right? It's fuzzy. You have to watch that in the high resolution, so that takes a lot of data and all. So I have thought that okay, I'll switch back to the version how I used to make my videos, like pen and paper mode. So probably I'll be shifting that uh, on my pen and paper mode very soon, and the next videos which will get on on this particular channel will be on pen and paper, will be with the pen and paper, right? So these were some announcements, some points, some discussion regarding the upcoming exams, regarding you and me. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video makes sense, you got to know something, and this will help you in your preparation, right? Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a like. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a